Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool deck here, and what these are is a MagSafe accessory that you can use for your iPhone or any other device. For the one that we got right here is from a brand called Casetify, and it is for the iPhone. So this was actually sent to me from Casetify to actually review to you guys and give you guys an honest opinion of how I do feel about this product. So these are some of the newest accessories that's provided for you guys to get. So I'm gonna actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. And see, we do have a lot of different accessories for you guys to use. And they mentioned how snap and go because it is magnetic. So you guys can pretty much just stick this onto the back of your case and start going about your day. But if I do bring it a little closer, you can see everything that's provided for you guys here. So we do have something called a snappy ring holder. We do have a snappy grip stand, snappy card holder stand, power through power bank, and you do have an impact case. And they also provide the cable that you use, which is USB-C to USB-C to recharge the power bank that we do have right here. And if you can see for the design that we do have right here is this one. You do have the option to customize the different design when you guys do get these different accessories and the case if you guys do want to, just like any of the other Casetify product. But when you see the packaging of this product definitely looks very nice. But I'll tell each one of them to show you guys how it does work. So the first one I want to try is a snappy ring holder. So once I do take it out, this actually looks like on this side, and here is our side. So this side right here, we do have the brand name Casetify, and this part right here is magnetic. But when you guys do open up, you do have the option to open all the way. So that way you can use it as a stand, which is really cool. And it does have a magnetic design to hold in place, which is pretty awesome. And just like any other Casetify product, they do use recycled material, which is really awesome and very eco-friendly. And it feels like it's such a high quality product as well. So what I'm doing right now is just stick this onto the phone to show you guys what it should look like and how it does work. So currently you can see right here, I'm already using a Casetify case. And this one is their Ultra Impact case from what I remember. So it does give you guys a lot of protection on here, whereas the other one does not give you guys as much, because the other one is just a regular impact case. If you see the corners right here. This is literally my everyday case that I've been using on my phone to give me that protection when I do drop it by accident, which is really nice. But when you see the back right here, we do have the MagSafe option or the magnetic option. So if I do stick it on the back, if you see the magnet that's on here is actually really strong. So if I do open up, that is pretty much what the back part looks like if you guys were to use a stand. So what I'm going to do right now is actually test it out and show you guys how it does work. So I have to open up. If you guys try to use a stand like this, you can see how well it does work. And because the back part is magnetic, you do have the option to turn it around if you guys do want to, very easily. So let's say, for example, if you guys want to use it in this direction, you guys can use a stand like that. You can see how well it does work. And once you are done, push back in. And then you can save a lot of space, you can see. So that is pretty much the first accessory that's provided for you guys that's available for you guys to get if you guys are interested. We'll put this back in for now, and we'll try the next one. So the next one that we do have right here is a grip stand. So this actually looks like on this side, and here is our side. So this side right here is magnetic. And then for this side right here, we do have the ring finger option for you to use. And you do have the option to turn this if you guys do want to. Spinner belt, which is pretty cool. But if you guys do take it out, that is what the product looks like right here. So feel free to spin it if you guys do want to. But one right now is stick on the back of my case, just like that. If you see how strong the magnet is on here, like when I hold it like this, and when I try and shake it, it's very stable because it does have a really strong magnet on here. So if I try to pull it out, I have to use a little bit of string to kind of pull it out. So very cool product to see. And then for this part, it does allow you guys to use it as a ring finger option like this to hold your phone. And once you guys are done using it, you guys can push back in. So very portable and very compact. The other way you guys can use this product is probably for you guys to use it as a stand. So it's open all the way. Let's give it a try. So you can kind of use it as a stand like that if you guys do want to. But it doesn't work as well as a stand as the other one that I just showed you guys earlier. But if you guys turn it this way right here on the side, you do have the option to use it like that as well. But same thing for this one, when you guys do like this, it doesn't really work as well as a stand because it does have like this anti-gravity or this gravity design. So that way it can kind of like go back down to the middle or the bottom. But overall, very cool product if you can see. So once you're done, close it back up. And it's all set. Now for the next product, which is the card holder stand. So this actually looks like on this side. And here is our side. So you can see how this part right here is magnetic and it does have the brand name. But when you guys do open it, you do have the option to open it all the way. So that way you do have the option to use it as a stand. You can see this is what the inside looks like. When you guys do feel the materials on here, it does feel very high quality, just like the other one that I showed you so far. And it's actually pretty cool to even think about how high quality it does feel when they do use recycled material. But once you guys are done using the stand, you can close that up. And then for the top part right here, you can use it as a card holder option. So what I want to do right now is go get some card and put it inside to show you guys how it does work. All right, so right here I do have a few cards. So what I want to do right now first is to put this onto my case or my phone. So just like that. Definitely looks very nice if you guys can see. And the magnet that's on here is actually really strong. You can see how when you guys do open up, even the bottom part right here is magnetic to hold it in place. So if you guys do use it as a stand, this one definitely works really well as a stand, you can see. And once you are done, close it back up. And that's pretty much how you guys use the stand option and the wallet or the card holder. But if you guys do open the back part right here, you guys can pull it down just a little bit so that way you can put the card inside. So if you guys just open a little bit, slide your card inside. But once you guys slide it inside, that is what the inside looks like. Let me try to put 2 cards to see if it actually works for 2 cards. So when I do put 2 cards inside, it does get very tight. So you probably can only fit 1 card inside. But once you guys put it inside, you guys can feel free to slide it out using the finger right here inside to kind of push it out really easily. So really cool, I'll give you guys the option to use it as a card holder option as well. And the stand option on here as well, which is pretty cool. But you guys can only put 1 card if you can see. So that is how you guys use the card holder stand. The next thing inside right here is the impact case. If you guys are interested in this one, feel free to check it out. I actually reviewed one of these before in the past, but let's just take out this one right here and put it on to show you guys what she looks like. So I want to take everything out. And I want to put this inside right here. It's like a push on design. So once you guys put it on, this is what it looks like for this one. It's like an all clear design in the back for you guys to see the phone and everything else on here. And we do have the usual Casetify logo right here on the side. But if you see on the corner, it does not have as much of a protection compared to the Ultra Impact case that we have right here with the MagSafe option. And they mentioned for this case how it should be MagSafe compatible, but I think they might have sent me the wrong one because when I try to test it out, it just falls down. So it's not really MagSafe compatible for the one that I do have right here. So it's not a big issue because I do have other case available right here that is MagSafe compatible. So you definitely want to make sure you guys do get the correct case, otherwise it will not work. But now let's take it off and then put it back on for this case right here. And then we'll test out the last accessory. So before I show you guys the last accessory, I want to show you the cable that's included. So the one that is included right here, they do provide you guys a USB-C to USB-C cable, which it does have the Casetify brand name on here. But now let's show you the last accessory right here that you didn't get, which is pretty much a MagSafe power bank. So what I'm doing now is peel this part out. And once you guys do peel it, this is what the part looks like on this side. Here is this side. On the side right here, we do have the button for you to press. And they do have the indicator light to show you guys the battery percentage. So I do click on it 1 time. Right now it's 1% or 1 bar. So you do have to charge it up before you can use it. The bottom right here, we do have the brand name. And just like the regular cases, they do have the brand names throughout the side. Same thing right here on the side as well. And then this side right here is where you guys can plug in cable to recharge it, which is USB-C. And that is pretty much everything that's on the product. So what I'm doing right now is to show you guys how to charge it first, and then we'll test it out. So I do plug in cable. I'm gonna use my own one right here since I already have it connected. But once you guys got connected, if you see on this side right here, it does show you guys it is charging. So right now the battery is really low. So you do want to make sure you guys fully charge it before you start using it. But if you guys do test it out while it's charging, let's see if it actually works. Alright, so while the product is charging, you do have the option to charge it at the same time. But when you guys do have it connected at the same time to charge the power bank and your phone, it doesn't charge as fast. If you can see how it doesn't have the MagSafe logo on here. If I do unplug the cable, if you guys try again, stick it on the back. Now you can see the MagSafe logo. So when you don't have the cable plugged in, it will charge a lot faster and give you guys a faster charge speed compared to when you guys do plug in cable. So keep that in mind. But if you see the magnet that's on here is actually very strong. Like if you guys hold on side right here, it's actually pretty strong and it does give you guys a very good grip. So that way you don't have to worry about it falling off as easy when you guys do use it. And also when you guys do feel the overall weight of the actual power bank is not that heavy. It's actually pretty lightweight. And it's actually very small for you guys to just put it into your jacket, your shirt, or even just carry around like this, which is pretty nice. And you guys also have a very nice design in the back when you guys do use it. So that is pretty much the last accessory that's available for you guys to get. Maybe in the future, by the time you have seen this video, there probably will be more products. But as of right now, this is what they do have that they sent to me to show you guys what they do have. So it's really cool to see how much Casetify is growing, how they started with cases, and now they're making other products in terms of like the MagSafe option, for the ring finger option, the grip stand option, the card holder option, and so much more, which is pretty cool. I think I changed both of these right here. This one's probably on top, and this is on the bottom. So it should be like that. But that is pretty much everything that's on the product. Now that we show you guys what the product looks like and how it does work, Now to answer the question of whether or not worth it on. So for this accessory, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality MagSafe accessory to use for your iPhone device or the other device that's compatible with any of these accessories, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. So as always, for any more products from the Casetify brand, if you guys are interested in any of them, feel free to use my link that I do provide right here. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.